Alright, let's do an unboxing and also SSD upgrade and do a clean Windows 11 installation on this Asus VivoBook. S712E i5 11th gen, OS Windows 10 at the moment. Okay, let's go ahead and do our job. Nice 17.3 inch, feels very heavy. Don't call me dude. Right, let's see what's in the box. Standard charger, no type C, empty, and some useless information. Okay. Let's have a look. Nice silver. So we got two USBs, standard Kensington lock, type C for data only, micro SD memory slot, audio, HDMI and the power jack. Pretty much basic, great for everyday use, nothing too fancy. Looks like this one also lifts up the bottom panel. Nice, cover the screen. Similar to the Asus, the other family line. The keyboard is similar to their F series laptops. A little bit dodgy there, but that's fine. It has a matte finish screen. Great, it just clicks in. Alright, it's on. Here we go. What I will do is actually upgrade this to Windows 11 and then clone it into a bigger SSD. I believe this one has a 512 gig SSD. Okay.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Nothing fancy about the screen, very whitish. If you look on an angle, you can't see much. So not the perfect viewing angle screen. Good for general everyday use. It's a budget laptop in its price category. We're going to delete the account later on anyway. We're going to load Windows 11. Before that, we'll just have a look at the webcam and just other specs quickly and what kind of SSD is in there. still have no idea we are made to suffer with this setup process. Wow, okay. Great, we're in. So 11th gen i5 ES 64-bit. Okay, connect to the internet to activate Windows. Okay, so it hasn't done an activation yet. Keyboard feels nice, but not as nice as the Lenovo we had, I think, yesterday or the day before. So by default, we're already using about nearly 50%. What kind of an SSD? NVMe WD. Okay, so they're using a WD drive. Okay, it's going mental. Okay, it's got a 4 gig RAM video card. Okay, Iris Xe graphics. Okay, let Windows go mental. Okay, click to run setup, etc. Okay. I think that's about it on this. And just if you want to know what kind of Wi-Fi chip it uses, I'll show you that too. AX201, okay. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the camera. That is, I would say better. No. Maybe. Than the Lenovo yesterday. Not sure. Okay. Well, we'll let it go ahead and do the updates for Windows 11. And then we'll clone this into another UVC camera. Okay, Realtek audio. And let's just see what kind of a battery is inside very quickly. So it's a 49,000 milliwatt hour. View it in. I remember you can change the view format, or was that? Okay, anyway. So that's it, that's the battery information. Okay, let's continue the Windows 11 upgrade. It's certainly nice to have a nice big screen. By the way, which version of Windows? 20H2, okay. And it's BitLocker enabled by default? I don't think so. No, okay, that's fine. Okay. I think that's about it. Alright, I'll just do the updates to Windows 11. It shouldn't take that long. Adjust date and time. Should be automatic. Yep, great. You know what? I'll do this a bit later. I'll actually clone it into a bigger SSD and then do the upgrade. So, because I won't have time to do it later on. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one for the disassembly and upgrading the SSD.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support